Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color an excavator. It's a colorful magic excavator. With every scoop, it finds shiny rocks, treasures, or even rainbow sand. This cheerful digger loves to help build and play.
Swish, 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 the wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
Now I'm drawing the bucket of the excavator. Now, coloring time. Red. I love painting so much. Do you like to play with toy excavators? Light blue. Yellow. Red, green. Red, orange. Yellow, blue. Yellow, purple, orange. Purple. Yellow. Pink. Blue. Blue. Orange. Green. Red. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.